Hi guys, hope you're all well. It's another beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Bloemfontein, South Africa. And I just want to make a quick video about my kid birds. And it's basically just photos that I will show you. But I hope you enjoy it and hope everybody's still safe and your birds is doing well. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I thank you guys for always supporting me by watching my videos, and remember to like and subscribe, and I just want to say God bless you all, and enjoy your pigeons. Thanks. Bye bye.